How to send HD photos in Instagram DM. With the latest Instagram update, you can now send HD photos with minimal quality loss. Let me show you how to send them. First, open your Instagram DM and chat with one of your contacts. As you can see, my colleague already sent me a photo in HD resolution. This is indicated by the HD label in the top right corner of the image. To send a photo in HD, tap on the image icon. Select the photo you want to send. After selecting the image, enable the HD option. This is a new feature on Instagram, so you'll need to have the latest version of the app. Now, send the photo. If you're using the HD option for the first time, a screen will appear with a notification. Sending photos in HD allows you to send cleaner and higher quality images, but it may take a little longer to send. You can also select multiple photos and send them as HD. Now, if the photo isn't in HD resolution, it won't be sent that way. Here's an example of a photo that wasn't HD, so it was sent in standard resolution. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.